Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making chocolate brownies. They are super fudgy, super gooey, super chocolatey and extremely delicious. Perfect for Christmas or any other day. Oh, and they are eggless and I haven't used any condensed milk. So let's get started. Take a bowl. Place a sieve on top of the bowl. Add 1 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup or 60 grams of cocoa powder. I have used dark cocoa powder. You can use whichever cocoa powder you have available. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve all of these ingredients. Once you sieve it, make sure you mix all of these ingredients together. Keep these ingredients aside for now. Take your baking tin and place a parchment paper in it. We will also add oil to the parchment paper and grease it well. Now keep this also aside and boil water in a pan. Place another bowl on top of the pan. Add 1 cup or 125 grams of chocolate, 1/3 cup or 75 grams of softened butter, Now we will mix these two together and let them melt completely. Once they have melted, we will also make sure that they heat a bit. That means once we take it off the flame, it should still remain a bit hot. Once it's a bit hot, we will take it off the flame. In another bowl, we will take 3/4 cup of thick room temperature curd. Add half a cup of powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We will whisk these together and form a smooth mixture. Break any lumps and combine well. To this, we will add our warm chocolate mixture. Make sure that the mixture is warm and not hot. If the mixture is hot, your curd may start to curdle. Mix all the wet ingredients together. And then we will add our dry ingredients to this. Do not add it all together. Add it little by little so that no lumps form and it is easy for you to mix it. Keep mixing it in between. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe. Once we've added all of our dry ingredients, we will check for the consistency. If it is very thick, add hot milk to this. I am adding around 1/3 cup of hot milk. You can add more or less. We want a thick string consistency, so focus on the consistency. And once we have achieved that, we will take 75 grams of chocolate and add some all-purpose flour or maida to it. Coat the chocolate with the maida or the all-purpose flour and add it to our prepared batter. We will also fold the chocolate into the batter. And pour our batter into the prepared tin. Spread the batter evenly and make sure you spread it towards the sides as well. We will bake these brownies at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes depending on the oven. The toothpick test does not apply to fudgy brownies. So to check if your brownies are cooked, you can insert a toothpick, and once you remove it, the texture should be crumbly, but there will still be some amount of brownie stuck to the toothpick. We will let our brownies cool completely and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Since these are extremely fudgy brownies, it will be better if you refrigerate it and then cut it to get the perfect texture and the perfect crumbs. These are definitely the fudgiest brownies that you will ever have, and you will fall in love with them instantly. Do let us know what you think about this recipe, and we have more super exciting recipes coming up, so stay tuned and keep showing us your love.